Hi everyone, welcome to Mina's Day Vlogs once again. And today guys, I will make chicken and pork barbecue. I will start by picking some calamansi fruit because I will be using this for the marinade. It's good if it's fresh. And then I have here 1 pound pork butt, 1 pound boneless chicken thighs. And so I'm ready. Slice the pork like this. Say around 2 inches. And then after slicing, you cut the pork in an inch, 1 inch. There you go. So it will look like this. And then after the pork, it's the chicken. So I do the same thing, same sizes, 1 inch by 2 inches. The cuts are not too small, not too big, so that you can cook it good. Okay, and then prepare the calamansi juice. Slice some fruits, say like 4 to 5, and then in a strainer, squeeze it. Okay, almost done. Next is I have 5 cloves of garlic. So I'm slicing like this and then crush it. And then chop. Okay, almost done with the garlic. Next is 1/8 teaspoon of ground pepper. And then 1 1/2 cup of barbecue sauce. 1 can of lime soda. So guys, these are the ingredients for the marinade. So in a mixing bowl, I put the barbecue sauce and then the lime soda, the calamansi juice, garlic, and ground pepper. After that, you just mix it very easy. And the marinade is ready. So this is the chicken. Pour some marinade, enough to cover the chicken. Cover it and put in the cooler for overnight. Okay, the remaining marinade, I put the cut pork. Mix like this. You can add some salt and cover it for overnight. And the following day, oh my God, guys, It's raining so hard. I cannot grill outside. What shall I do? I need some help. And so, my last resort is I will put 1/2 teaspoon of liquid smoke to the pork marinade. Mix it. And then cover it and leave for 30 minutes. Same thing with the chicken, but in here I put 1/4 teaspoon of liquid smoke. Mix. Cover and leave it for 30 minutes. And then next, in a pan with water, I soak the barbecue sticks or the skewer. And finally, we are ready. Thread the pork, say around 4 to 5 cuts, and then put onto the skewer or the barbecue sticks. You have to be very patient, guys, because you have to poke the pork one by one. Well, I thought of making some barbecues today because I'm really missing my country, Philippines. I am imagining the smoke along the streets in the afternoon when it's time for barbecue. We used to go out and then there are stalls in there. You can just easily buy some barbecues, some street foods. It's really fun in Philippines. I am missing my home. Sad I cannot grill outside today. Yesterday was still sunny, but then the following day today, wow, it's raining. Okay, I'm done with the pork, so this is now the chicken. I think 4 slices of the chicken is good already. There you go, look nice. And chicken is for my hubby because he loves chicken. Mine is the pork and I have more pork than the chicken. Meaning, I will eat more. Okay, almost done, guys. Okay, it's done, ready. So, I put the barbecue in a metal rack over baking pan. And then, put in the oven for 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And so guys, while waiting, I will be making the base. So I have here 1/2 cup of banana ketchup, 1 tablespoon of barbecue marinade, and 1 teaspoon of liquid smoke. Very easy, you just mix this and this will be the base. Okay guys, let's check. Oh, the color is good now, so I guess it's time to brush the basting. After brushing with the base, then this is the second batch already. After putting the base, you can you put back and then say around 15 minutes more, then it's good. And then I have corn cob on the side, so I have garlic powder, I have butter in here, and I chopped some 4 pieces of sweet corn, and I will just roll like this, roll the corn into the butter and little bit of garlic salt. Okay, almost done, and then it's ready for baking. This is fast guys, only 10 minutes, then it's good. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Okay guys, it's done cooking, so plating time. These are the pork barbecues. And then the chicken barbecues. There you go, and then add the sweet corn. And then my dipping guys is I combine spicy vinegar, toyo mansi, some garlic, some onion, brown sugar, and salt, and hot chili. Oh, there you go guys, it's my favorite eating time. Let's taste the corn. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching guys. See you next video.